Hello, in front of me I've got Ninebot eKickscooter E2 Pro. In this video I'll show you how to fold it. In the beginning, take a look at the front of the scooter. Right here we've got this lever. In order to fold the scooter, use two hands. With one hand hold the steering and the second hand use to unlock this lever. Now we can fold it and hook it around the bell frame to unlock it. Pull the frame up and now you can lift the handle. Once it's done, simply push this lever. To unlock this lever, you have to pull this button upwards. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.